Kroger drivers. Today I'm with the trainer and we want to walk you through how to use the DriveCam. In case, anytime you have an incident that you would like to trigger this camera, all you gotta do is just hit the button on the right, just push it, and then you see the light blinking, and that will activate the recording. And if you're done with the incident and you want to upload the video footage to the computer for us to view, I want you to press both of this button on the bottom. Okay, watch me do it. Right here, push it up, both buttons, and hold it for 3 seconds, and let go. That will form the video footage to the DriveCam call center, and they will view the video and then they send it down to me. And transportation will review the camera, and we will have that video footage for research or investigation purposes. All right. That's all we have for today. If you have any question regarding to DriveCam, please put your comment below. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. All right, for more training, please subscribe to follow us for more training tutorial. Thank you. Bye-bye.